My name is Senthil Kumar Gopalakrishnan. In this video, we are going to discuss about SAP ABAP operators. ABAP provides 5 types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparative operators, relational operators, conditional operators, looping operators. But in these video sessions, we are going to cover conditional operators. Conditional operators, we are having two: if and if, case and case. We are having two types of conditional operators: if and if and case and case. If and if, we are having three: if and if. Here I give the syntax: if condition is satisfied, it will be execute the black 1, else it will be execute the black 2. Once the condition is true, it will be execute the black 1. The condition is false, it will be execute the black 2. Next, if else part. If else part, here if condition is true, okay, it will be execute the black 1, else it will be execute the black 2. Next, if else if, that this is if else if. If condition is satisfied, black 1 be executed. Otherwise, we can check one more condition, that's called else if condition. So that condition is matched, it will be executed the black 2. Next, case and case syntax is there. Here the syntax for case statement is case operand when, case when, end case. This is the syntax for case statement. Now we are going to see the informations practically. Now I am going to teach you how to log into SAP system. Here enter the client number, next one is user number, next password, next login language is English. First we are going to see if part only, if part, if program. Here this is icon save. This I can check. Here I check. I get the input parameter. A is a type of integer. I assign the value default is 10. Here I check if A greater than 10, right? A greater than 10. That's all. I check only one conditions. Now I check this one. A is not greater. Suppose you enter the values. You can enter the values 20. Now it displays A greater than 10. Otherwise, you enter the 10. It won't react anything. Next, we have to see if else part. Sample for if else. Here I check the condition if A greater than 10, right? A greater than 10, else A less than 10, or it may be 0, anything. It may be equivalent also. Exit program. Enter the value 10. Okay, A less than 10 because the condition is not matched. Suppose the A is 20. Now it shows A greater than 10. So this sample program explain the part of if else, true or false. The third window, so if else if. So I want to check multiple conditions. If A greater than 10, if A less than 10, else. So we want to check multiple conditions. We'll go for if else if statement. Here 10, A equal to B. 13, A greater than 10. 9, A greater than 10. Here A less than 10. Suppose I enter the value 9 here, a less than 10. It shows a less than 10. So up to this we covered if, else, if. Three statement we covered. Next program we are going to see case statement. How the case statement will be working. In case statements, in this program I am going to get two input. One is p underscore a and p underscore b. Here I get the input, that means operators input. The type of character. Here syntax is case, when, in case. Case, next one is when, next one is in case. Here I pass the operators as an argument. So I pass star. I want to perform the multiplication operator. I pass a plus value. I want to perform the addition operators. Exit this one. I enter value 10, 10. Here I will ask, I want pass star, then execute the program. It shows multiplications. Next same program, I pass the operator plus execute. It shows 20. So case is to case syntax, case, when, in case is a syntax. So we are having two operators in conditional operators in SAP ABAP. One is in if and if, next one is case and case. Okay. Suppose you want more clarifications, you kindly note on this slide and mail me. Otherwise, you follow my LinkedIn ID, so I will help you.